Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important current affairs for the upcoming government exams. Geeta Gopinath has been appointed as the chief economist of International Monetary Fund. She is the 11th chief economist at IMF and the first female to hold that position. She is also the second Indian after Raghuram Rajan, ex-governor of RBI, to be appointed as the chief economist of International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund headquarters is in Washington DC in United States and Christine Lagarde is the current managing director. Assam Petrochemicals launched Asia's first canister-based and India's first methanol cooking fuel program in Namrup in Assam. The cooking medium can directly substitute LPG, kerosene, wood, charcoal, and any other fuel for cooking. Clear Sky military exercise conducted in western Ukraine between the United States of America, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and Ukraine. Clear Sky 2018 is a multinational military exercise focusing on promoting peace and security. Anna Burns won the 2018 Man Booker Prize for her novel Milkman. Australian women cricket team clinched the World T20 title by defeating England in the finals of Women's World T20 tournament. Since the start of the tournament in 2009, Australia have won the title 4 times and are the most successful team in Women's World T20. Wipro chairman Azim Premji received the highest French civilian distinction, Knight of the Legion of Honor. Belgium won their first ever Hockey World Cup by defeating Netherlands in the finals held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Mascot of the tournament was Oli. Chilika Lake in Odisha has emerged as the single largest habitat of Irrawaddy dolphin in the world. India International Cherry Blossom Festival 2018 held in Shillong, Meghalaya. Meghalaya Chief Minister is Conrad Sangma and Governor is Tathagata Roy. Sikkim won the Food and Agriculture Organization's Future Policy Award 2018 for being the world's first 100% organic state. Sikkim is also India's first open defecation free state. Sikkim Chief Minister is Pawan Chamling and Governor is Ganga Prasad. GSAT 11, India's heaviest, largest and most powerful satellite, successfully launched from Arianespace rocket from French Guiana. GSAT 11 is the forerunner in the series of advanced communication satellites with multi-spot beam antenna coverage over Indian mainland and islands. Arvind Saxena has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC. Himachal Pradesh became the first Indian state to launch a single emergency number 112 for all emergency. Currently, this service is available in 16 states and union territories of India. MC Mary Kom became the first woman to win 6 boxing world titles by clinching gold at 2018 International Boxing Association Women's World Cup Championship in New Delhi. In the finals of 48 kg event, she defeated Ukraine's Hana Okota. Sameer Verma won gold at Syed Moti International Badminton Championship by defeating Guangzhou Lu of China. India's first nuclear ballistic missile submarine, INS Arihant, completed its first deterrence patrol. Bogibel Bridge was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi In Assam, the 4.9-kilometer combined road and rail bridge is over Brahmaputra River. It will connect Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Bogibeel Bridge is the longest rail-cum-road bridge in India. US President Donald Trump, Mexican President Enrique Nieto, Canada Prime Minister Justin Trudeau signed US-Mexico-Canada Agreement which will replace North America Free Trade Agreement. Amitav Ghosh has been honored with Gyanpith Award 2018. Some of his work include The Circle of Reason, The Glass Palace, River of Smoke, Flood of Fire, Sea of Poppies, and many more. Amitav Ghosh is the first English writer to win Gyanpith Award. Madhya Pradesh state government has declared Kunu Wildlife Sanctuary as a national park. Madhya Pradesh also have Kanha Tiger Reserve and Bandhavgarh National Park. Exercise Scope India 2018 held between Indian Air Force and US Air Force at Panagarh and Kalaikunda Air Base. Panagarh Air Base is also called as Arjan Singh Air Base. Academic Lomonosov is the first floating nuclear power plant in the world built by Rosatom of Russia. Sunil Arora has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conferred with the Seoul Peace Prize for 2018 for his contribution to international cooperation and fostering global economic growth. He is the first Indian to get the honor. 33rd ASEAN Summit was held in Singapore. This summit also saw the conclusion of other related summits like ASEAN Plus Summit, 2nd RCEP Regional Comprehensive Economic Summit and 13th East Asia Summit. Maldives have applied to rejoin the Commonwealth of former British colonies after 2 years absence. Former President Abdullah Yameen pulled Maldives out of Commonwealth in 2016. He had accused the group of interfering with country's internal affairs after it raised concern over democracy and human rights. M.S. Swaminathan was awarded the World Agriculture Prize for 2018. M.S. Swaminathan is also known as the father of Green Revolution in India. With this, I would like to end this video. For videos related to current affairs, military exercises, and other topics, you can subscribe to my channel